Hi everybody, welcome to class. If you are new here, nice to see you. If you're returning, thank you very much. I am Helen, in case you didn't know, and today's practice will be a mobility class, a little bit different to what we've done before, and it might get slightly challenging, but if it doesn't challenge us, it doesn't change us. If you remember that game, I believe it was called Simple Simon, where you pressed the buttons on this circular thing and it made a noise and you followed a sequence, and then an extra bit was added on the end and you had to keep going and going and going until nobody could do it. This is what this sequence is going to be like. We will be adding something extra on as we move through it. We will just start with the feet directly underneath the hips. Shoulders come up to the ears, back and down, palms facing forward. Tailbone lined up with the heels, the backs of the heels, the back of the head lined up with the tailbone, chin parallel to the earth. Breathing here, focusing on the inhale and the exhale. Just coming to arrive on the mat, preparing us for what lies ahead. Wiping the slate clean, being open-minded, and above all, enjoying it. Take another breath or so here. And then when you're ready, slowly open the eyes. I'm already dripping sweat. Okay, we will start with the feet in this V shape. I believe in dance, this may be number 1 position, but someone can correct me because I'm not a dancer. Palms will come to the chest. Tall spine. Stepping out with the left leg, coming into a horse stance, bending the knees, straighten them, and stepping back. Other side, stepping out, horse, straighten, step back in, adding on. Horse, heels lift, lower, straighten, step back in, step out, horse, heels, horse, step back in. Horse, heels, horse, hands behind the head, elbow crosses and touches the outside knee. Come back up, prayer, straighten, step in. Other side, horse, heels, horse, hands behind the head, inside elbow touches outside knee, come back up, palms to chest, straighten, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross. This crossing elbow, hand comes down, rotate into a low lunge, rotate back, this elbow back to the knee. We come up, palms to chest, step in. Again, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross and touch. That palm comes down, low lunge. Back to the head, touching the elbow to the inner knee. Come back up, horse, heels, down, chest, up. Step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross, hand comes down, low lunge. This time top elbow comes to the inside of the ankle on the same side, back up to the elbow, bottom elbow touches the inside of the knee, horse, prayer, heels lift, heels down, step in. Did you get it? Step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross and touch, low lunge, hand comes down, top elbow comes down the inside of that bent knee to the ankle, back up, bottom hand, elbow touches the inside of the knee, open back out into horse, to the chest, heels lift, heels down. Step in. It's getting kind of hectic, huh? Step out into horse, knees bend, heels lift, down, elbows, cross touch, low lunge, top elbow, inside, come back up, planting down into this bottom hand, step back, side plank. Top leg lift, step back, low lunge, coming inside this foot with the top elbow, back up. Bottom elbow touches the inside of the knee. Horse, prayer, heels lift, horse, step up, step in, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross touch, low lunge, top elbow, inside that bent leg to the ankle, come back up, ground down into the bottom hand, side plank, step back, low lunge, elbow inside that leg, back up, engage the core, bottom hand comes to the ear, elbow inside the knee, horse, prayer, heels lift, down, step in. Again, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross, low lunge, top elbow sweeps down, comes back up, step back, side plank, top arm comes to the sky, we curl under, lifting the hips, back up, hand to the ear, top leg lifts, step back, low lunge, top elbow sweeps inside this front leg, comes back up, engage the core, bottom hand to the ear, touching that inner knee with the elbow, back to horse, prayer, heels lift, heels down, step in, step out this way, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross elbow, low lunge, top elbow sweeps inside the leg, comes back up, ground into the bottom hand, step back, side plank, top arm comes up, rainbow under, back up, top hand to ear, lift that top leg, step up for low lunge, this top elbow sweeps inside this front leg, back up, engage the core, bottom hand back to bottom ear, touching the inside of the knee, rotate back to horse, palms to chest, lift the heels, down, step it, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross elbow to knee, plant the hand, low lunge, top elbow sweeps inside this leg, comes back up, grounding down into that bottom hand, step back to side plank, top arm comes up, curl under for this rainbow, we come back up, top hand comes down, roll over onto that side for side plank the other way, come back, side plank, rainbow, up, hand to ear, lift the top leg, step up, low lunge, inside this front leg with the elbow, come back up, engage the core, bottom elbow inside the knee, horse, prayer, heels lift, heels down, step in. Again, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross chop, Hand comes down, low lunge, top elbow sweeps inside this leg, comes back up, step back, side plank, arm to the sky, curling under, come back up, hand comes down, side plank the other side, returning back to side plank, arm comes up, rainbow, back up, hand to ear, top leg lifts, step up, low lunge, top elbow inside that leg, coming back up, engage in the core, bottom hand to the ear, elbow to the knee. We come back up into horse, palms to chest, lift the heels, come down, step in. One more add-on, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross, plant the hand, easy twist, elbow to the ankle, come back up, ground down into the bottom hand, side plank, top arm to the sky, curling, we lift up, hand comes down, side plank the other side, arm to the sky, hand to the ear, top arm lifts, knee crunch, back to side plank the other side, top arm, curl, arm back up, hand to the ear, top leg lifts, step into this low lunge, top elbow inside the ankle, comes back up, gauge the core, bottom hand to the ear, inner elbow, horse, prayer, heels, horse, step in. Last time, step out, horse, heels, horse, elbows, cross, lunge, top elbow inside that leg, come back up, step back, side plank, arm to the sky, rainbow, come back up, hand comes down, plank, side plank the other way, arm comes up, hand to elbow, top leg lifts, knee to elbow, back, return, side plank the other way, top arm up, rainbow, top arm back up, hand to the ear, top leg lifts, step up, low lunge, top elbow inside the ankle, come back up, engage the core, hand to the ear, elbow to the inside of the knee, come back up, palms to chest, lift the heels, lower the heels, step up and release. Well done. That was pretty challenging. I'm dripping in sweat. So we just take a moment to reconnect with the breath. Acknowledge what you've just done. Maybe sway out the hips a little bit. We got into a lot there. We got into the hips. We got into some upper body strength. And it also challenged the brain. Bring the feet underneath the hips on an inhale, palms up to the sky. Full body stretch. Hands down the middle. Again, inhale, lift. Full body stretch, palms down the middle. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale down the middle. Well done. That is a quick little class that you can do if you ever want a little energy boost and want to get moving. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon in another video. Thank you.